pre-owned DMU60P here. We drive the machine drive. You see here the axes driving all. Speed a little bit more up here, and it's the axes here. It's all greased, the weight covers, etc. Protection on the table. And it's a 60P, DMU60P, universal horizontal, vertical, coolant through, Cat 40, 12,000 RPM, trunnion table. It's 30 degrees and 45. It's a trunnion table. It's a big table. See how fast it goes. And it's a universal head. It goes horizontal and vertical all in one. It's a two machine all in one. You see that here? And it's the y-axis, again, trunnion table here, trunnion table, the z-axis, and it's a very nice DMU60P with coolant through machining center here, vertical and horizontal. It's all greased up, the covers right now, and the spindle, you can see that here, we measured that out. It's air nozzle, coolant through. It's all greased up here. On the weight covers, when we run it in the shop, that the weight covers are nice and smooth, you know, always nice grease, lithium grease on it. Today, December the 26th, 2013, a pre-owned DMU60P coolant through full 5-axis trunnion table, universal head, vertical, horizontal. We check here the spindle run out. It's live here. It's a one slash here, it's 40 million or 1 micron, 1 slash. So we go here, we turn the spindle here, you can see by hand, we turn it here, and it's approximately, again, it's hard to see, it's approximately 5 micron run out in the spindle here. And it's the previous owner changed that spindle a year ago too, brand new, a year ago, and we see that here still 5 micron run out here on the spindle. Today, December the 26th, 2013, EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Today live, December the 26th, 2013, pre-owned 5-axis DMU60P, universal machine trunnion table, vertical, horizontal. We see here the straightness. I drive here a little bit. I'll drive a little bit slower so we can read the indicator here, and you see that 1 slash is 40 million, so 1 micron. It's like excellent condition here. Straightness in Z here in the spindle taper. You can see that life, that indicator almost don't move. It's a couple microns. If the indicator don't move, I say for sure it's 3 to 5 microns. 3 to 5 microns. What we can see here about, you know, 3 to 5 microns. Very nice DMU60P universal 5-axis trunnion table, coolant through, Cat 40. It's just nice chip conveyor for a fraction of a price. Please call EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin, under power, live to see everything if you like to. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Today, the 26th, 2013, pre-owned DMU60P Universal Machining Center, 5-axis Deckel Maho. So we place the indicator now in front of the spindle here. You see that on the spindle test bar in front. So I want to see before we had it on the side. Now we do it in the front. So you can see here live again, December the 26th, 2013, pre-owned DMU60P Universal 5X Machining Center. See it live by yourself. It's 2 to 3 microns, that 2 in the front. That means excellent machine. Very nice. Z-axis to spindle taper here. Very nice. The run out, straightness, etc. We do a couple more tests. We drive over the table. We do it horizontal. We do it vertical. So we see it live here. And again, please feel free to come over. You can bring your own test bars, your own test equipments, and check machines out at European Machine Tool in Wisconsin. You can bring your own indicators. You can bring your own test bars, and you check that out by yourself if you like to. Here again, it's the video live here, and we see that we drive, and it's very nice condition. Where else you can buy machines under power here, test it, and again, you please feel free to come over, check it out by yourself. Bring your maintenance people, bring a DMG guy or whatever, and see it live. So when you buy a used machine, you want to buy something right and test it out a little bit. December 26, 2013, pre-owned DMU60P trunnion table machine here, and we checked that in the outer position now too, and you can see that it's about the same like in the vertical position here. When we turn very slowly, the 300mm or 12 inches test bar here in it, it's about 5 microns here. Also in the horizontal, when the head is tilted to vertical or horizontally, it goes all automatically with M functions here, and it's a trunnion table 5-axis pre-owned machine for a fraction of price. Any question, please visit us at EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Pre-owned DMU60P universal 5-axis machine. We have the indicator placed here, and we drive this Y. Y-axis is here the table. That's the table here. Hard to see, 1 micron, 1 slash, and it's a 40 million indicator here, and we go back and forth in the Y-axis, and the head is now at the horizontal position here. It tilts and swivels automatically, so as the table, it goes automatically in and out, automatically horizontal, vertical, and the table tilts. It's a trunnion table machine, 60p with coolant through. Let's speed that a little bit up here, and it's a full 5-axis machining center here. It's approximately 15 microns on the 40 million 1 micron indicator here at 300mm lengths here, or 12 inches. So it's in vertical and in horizontal position. It's actually 2 machines in one with a trunnion table. Any question, please feel free to visit us at EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin. Thank you. Have a great day. Again, December 26, 2013. We have the indicator placed now also again on the table. Table is the Y-axis here, horizontal, and we go now in the direction. Again, it's a 40 million indicator here. It's hard to see, but sometimes I catch it right. We'll see what this is. When the table is traveling, that's the Y-axis exactly. It's about 10 microns, 15 microns. The indicator goes back and forth. About 10, 15 microns at 300mm measuring lengths. The table is Y here. We see that traveling, and the spindle here is a Cat 40, and it's in horizontal position or vertical position here. Again, it's a pre-owned DMU60P universal head trunnion table, coolant through chip conveyor, and very nice machine here under power, Deckel Maho, pre-owned under power at EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Okay, we have the indicator placed now on the head and drive here over the table. Again, it's the Y-axis. You see that? It's very close. We have the indicator placed on the head, and we drive here. It's about also approximately 15 microns, 15 microns, 12 microns. When we drive with the Y-axis on the machine back and forth, again, it's the Y-axis here. You see that it drives. And we have the indicator placed on the side here, and we drive here with the indicator or with the Y-axis, and the spindle is in horizontal position. We drive the table here. We see that almost back to zero. It's hard to see. The indicator moves back and forth 1 million, 40 millions, or 1 micron in the indicator resolutions here. Thank you very much. Any question, please feel free again to visit us and see the machines under power. 5-axis machining centers, 3-axis, 4-axis sometimes, Gildemeister lathes, rotors, used harmless, and we have it all in stock. Please feel free to call us. Thank you very much. Have a great day. 26, 2013, again, pre-owned DMU60P Universal Machining Center with trunnion table. I have here the table Z like Charlie, programmed here and running, and I have my indicator again placed here and check the table surface here. I go a little bit closer. Again, it's hard to see. It's a 40 million indicator here, 40 million indicator, and we rotate Z like Charlie, and see what the table surface say here. and it's very close. It's about 10 to 15 microns here, all time between 10 and 15 microns. Again, it's hard to see, but it's a 40 million indicator, or 1 micron. That's what it shows here, and it's very, very nice. The table surface here, we rotate that 360 degrees. You can see that here, and it's a table here, Z like Charlie. We go a full 360 here, rotation, and go a little bit closer again. It's hard to see in videos sometimes, I know. We can see that, you know, indicator goes over the table. Table C is moving here, and it's very, very nice. 10 to 15 microns tops here over the whole surface in rotation when the table moves here. Very, very nice here. EuropeanMachineTool.com in Wisconsin. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Here we go. A little bit slow we go now with a tool change. You see it here better on the video. Universal Machining Center, and here the spindle goes in. Make a tool change. And speed it a little bit up. Automatic tool change, and the head goes back to its original position. And now the machine is in horizontal again. Vertical or horizontal trunnion table machine. Vertical or horizontal 5-axis trunnion table machine. If you run the spindle, it's very nice, whisper quiet here. I go a little bit nearer to the machine here. It's 4,000 RPM. 4,000 RPM. We see this down here. Let's go up there, say S, here up there, S5550, NC start. Very, very nice and quiet. It's 5,550 RPM. You see that here. And let's go up to 6700, 6700. And we started here, whisper quiet. You see that? Very, very nice. Let's go up to 8,000. I warmed it up before. You see that here. And let's go up to 9,000 RPM. Here we go, 9,000 RPM. Very, very quiet spindle here. Again, the previous owner changed that a year ago. Put a new spindle in here. And let's go up to S, 10,000 RPM here. See that? Very, very nice. 10,000 RPM, 11,000 RPM. We can go on and on and on and on. So the video gets longer, so I need to stop the video now. I go then higher with a second video. Here again, we run the spindle here and go a little bit around the machine. It's right now running at 6,000 RPM. Go a little bit closer here. Has grease around, put grease around the spindle, etc. You can see that it spins at 6,000 RPM. Whisper quiet. Machine has maximum to 11 or 12,000. I think 12,000 RPM is the maximum on the machine tool. Pre-owned DMU60P universal machine, vertical, horizontal, and trunnion table here with fully C-axis2, chip conveyor, coolant through, etc., etc. Fraction of a price. EuropeanMachineTool.com, Wisconsin. Thank you very much. Have a good day.